Hello, my name is Tim Smith. I'm the Senior Manager of Training and Field Engineering at Stonhard. I've been with the company for 18 years. Epoxies can be applied to fresh concrete. For mortar systems, they can be applied after a 28-day cure, or we can utilize a green concrete primer to accelerate the process if needed. Yes, it does. During the drying process of concrete, all the water comes up through the concrete and evaporates off the surface. It brings tiny particles to the surface, creating a Laitance layer. That Laitance layer is inherently weak and must be removed to ensure an excellent bond to the concrete for the resinous floor. So our mechanical prep actually cleans the surface by removing the top layer of the concrete. There are instances where there's contamination in this lab, where an additional degreasing step is required, and then we utilize penetrating primer to make sure that we get an excellent bond. It depends on the severity of the cracks or the imperfections and what system is being installed. We have solutions for crack treatment and moving cracks that can help prevent the propagation of these cracks through the installed system, and the imperfections in the concrete are more critical to thinner mill systems. Two most common tools used to prep concrete are grinders and a blast track machine. Grinders are used along the edges, and a blast track machine is used in wide open space. Anytime you're working with prep equipment, proper protective equipment is required. This includes safety glasses, ear protection, hard hat, gloves, high visibility vest, and steel-toed boots. In addition to the proper protective equipment, HEPA filter vacs are connected to all pieces of equipment to cut down on dust. The space has to be ready for installation. This includes proper lighting, temperature, humidity, has to be clear of other trades, and the concrete has to be hard enough for our prep equipment to be effective. Here at Stonhard, we are both the manufacturer and the installer. We have over 150 installation crews throughout the U.S. that provide all the preparation and installation of our flooring. Proper prep is critical to ensure that the resinous flooring installed lasts an incredibly long time.